In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Canva website. If your Canva workspace is getting a little crowded or you simply don't need a website design anymore, this quick process will help you tidy things up. In Canva, a website is just another design type, so removing it is as simple as sending that design to the trash. I'll walk you through it clearly, and I'll point out a few tips to make sure you're deleting the right file. First, open your browser and head to canva.com. Log into the account where the website design lives. If you use multiple accounts or workspaces, double-check you're in the right one so you don't accidentally trash something you still need. Once you're in, look to the left-hand panel of the Canva home screen. Click on Projects. On some accounts, this may be labeled Your Designs. This area lists your folders, recent work, and every design you've created or have access to. It's your hub for locating the website you want to remove. Now, find the specific website design. You can scroll through your recent items or use the search bar at the top to type the name of the website. If you've created several versions, take a moment to confirm you've got the correct one by checking the thumbnail preview and the last edited date. Many Canva website designs are labeled accordingly on their thumbnails, which can help you distinguish them from presentations or social posts. If you're in a team workspace, make sure you're looking at the right project folder and that you have permission to modify it. When you've located the website design, hover your mouse over its thumbnail. You'll see a three-dot icon, sometimes called the More or Options menu, appear in the corner of that design tile. Click that three-dot menu to open a list of actions. From that menu, select Move to Trash. Canva may briefly confirm the action, and then the design will disappear from your main dashboard and the project's view. That's it. The website design is now out of the way. Moving an item to the trash helps keep your workspace clean and reduces clutter, especially if you've experimented with multiple drafts or duplicates. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you frequently share links to your website designs, remember that removing the design can affect those links. Also, if you're unsure, consider noting the design's title or making a quick copy beforehand so you can compare versions later. Taking a moment to verify the right file now can save you time down the road. And that's how to delete a Canva website by moving the design to the trash. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.